In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage personal tasks separately. We'll be using the Good Day interface, and I'll walk you through a simple way to get to your personal tasks so they're clearly separated from everything else you're working on. This is especially helpful if your workspace is full of team projects, shared boards, or company-wide tasks, and you just want a clean view of what you personally need to get done. First, make sure you're logged into your Good Day account and you're on the main interface. Look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu bar, and near the top of that bar, there is a home icon. This icon is your starting point for navigating to your own work. Go ahead and click on the home icon on the left. When you click it, Good Day takes you to a central hub for your personal workspace. Think of this as your home base, where everything related to you as a user is grouped together. If you were somewhere deep inside a project or a different module, this is a quick way to reset and focus back on your own workload. Once you're on the home view, look for an option labeled My Tasks. This is usually visible as a prominent item on the screen or in the navigation area. The My Tasks section is designed to collect tasks that are specifically assigned to you across all projects and workspaces that you're part of. Now click on My Tasks. After you click, the page will update to show a list of everything that belongs to you, tasks you need to complete, items that are in progress, and sometimes upcoming work depending on your configuration. This is the view where your personal tasks are effectively separated from team or global views. From here, you can review what's on your plate, prioritize your work, and focus only on the items that matter to you. You can sort or filter this list if the platform allows it, for example by due date, status, or priority, so your personal tasks become even easier to manage. Many people like to open this view at the start of the day to quickly see what needs attention. That's all you need to do. Click the home icon on the left, then click My Tasks. With these two simple actions, you'll always have a clear, separate space for managing your personal tasks within Good Day.